Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jnims observed its 18th annual Foundation Day and 9th Jnims Dental College Foundation Day at Jnims Auditorium today. Organized by Jnims family, the program was attended by Manipur Governor Bhalla, Health and Family Welfare Commissioner cum Secretary Suman Singh and Jnims Director Professor L. Usharani as the key dignitaries. During the event, a college magazine, Nongin, was released while meritorious students of MBBS and DDS examination for the year 2024-25 were felicitated. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Bhalla lauded the institute's performances in producing notable graduates while also excelling in healthcare in both state and national levels. He added that the institute's efforts in strengthening healthcare awareness through state-level health program is commendable and wished greater success in the future.
Over the past 18 years, Jnims has grown into a premier center of medical education and tertiary healthcare, playing a vital role in strengthening Manipur's healthcare system. Medical education, however, is not defined by academic excellence alone. It's a part of compassion, ethical values, and spirit of service. Medical profession carries a profound responsibility, as I said, the savior of human life and dignity. I'm encouraged to see that Jnims places strong emphasis on ethical practices, patient-centered care, and community service, thereby shaping healthcare professionals who combine competence with empathy. The role of a medical institution extends well beyond hospitals and classrooms. Research, innovation, preventive healthcare, and community outreach are essential in responding to emerging public health challenges. I am pleased to learn that Jnims has been actively engaged in national and state health programs.